Aliu Mr. Gecko.
People of Sudan, nobody should be say no need for peace from somebody with no peace. Let him rise his stand up, where all people will see him. Who is he? No peace to him. All of us, we are Sudanese. We still want peace to come. Whomever chases then Sudan, self-care, South leader. All of us in peace Sudan. Nobody will be able. You people going ahead. Nobody will be able. You people going ahead. If you don't like the peace to come, we will call out God to you. Our God is one God. People, our God is one children. If you